Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to deactivate your Facebook account. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Tap on the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Next, scroll down to the section called Account Center and tap on it. From there, choose Personal Details and then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Facebook profile you want to deactivate and then tap Deactivate Account. After that, follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to enter your password to confirm. Once done, your account will be deactivated. You can reactivate your account anytime just by logging back in. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.